Standard 12 BST Marketing. I told you the green book, page number 301 and 302 we can discuss today. The topics are what can be marketed and who is a marketer. So we already learned the topic what is marketing. So what can be marketed? A product can be defined as a bundle of utilities or source of satisfaction that can be used for what? Satisfy human wants. It not only includes physical objects like TV, pen, biscuits, cars, DVD player, refrigerator, etc., but also other things of value such as services, ideas, places, etc., which can be offered to the customers for their use. In the marketing theory, anything that can be useful to the customers can be marketed. Anything that can be useful. Value word is useful. To whom? To the customers can be marketed. Can be marketed. So we do think mostly physical products like DVD player, motorcycle, cell phone, footwear, television, refrigerator, car, etc. are the items. No, not only that. Page number 301, there are 10 items that can be useful to the customers, can be marketed. Physical products that we can see to it and touch it. So everybody has to note down and read the page number 301 in the box. Services, insurance, healthcare, business process, household units, security, computer education, online trading. Yes, ideas. That I have doubts. What is it? Ideas. Ideas of polio vaccination, help page, donation on money, on Flag Day, National Foundation for Communal Harmony. So all good things which are useful to the society also. Ideas. Polio vaccination, help age, family planning, like that ideas. Another one is persons. That also can be marketed, especially at the election time, candidates for certain posts. Election is the example. And we have place. I do say place of visit. Visit Agra, city of love, city of lakes, Udaipur, Mysore, the city of gardens. Like that also can be marketed. I do say small form tourist visit places that can be marketed. In many films we have seen. Experience can be marketed. What is it? Customized experiences as dinner with a cricketer, lunch with a celebrity, experience of balloon riding, mountaineering, and so on. Experiences can be marketed. Properties can be marketed. That is intangible rights of ownership or real estate in financial property or shares and debentures. Events, sports events, Olympics, cricket series, Diwali Mela, fashion show, music concert, film festival, Kerala tourism, like that. Information is also can be marketed. Production, packaging and distribution of information by organizations such as universities, research organizations, provide information as market information, marketing research agencies, technology information, and so on and so forth. And the organizations, this also can be marketed. That is for boosting their public image, boosting, increasing, enhancing public image. Public image of the organizations such as Ranbaxy, Dabur, Procter & Gamble. Communicate with the people, example, Philips says, let us make things better and so on. So there are many things that is anything that can be useful to the customers can be marketed. So it's very clear that also to be learned and written. And who is a marketer? Next part of the learning part is who is a marketer. Marketer is a person or organization who takes more active part in the process of exchange. Marketer refers to any person who takes more active part in the process of exchange. in the process of exchange, active part, whether it's organization or person. It is a seller who is more active in the exchange process as he analyzes the needs of the potential buyers, develops a market offering, and persuades the buyers to buy the product. Why seller becomes more active in the exchange process? Because seller analyzes the needs of the potential buyers, develops a market offering, and persuades the buyers to buy the product. There may be situations where the buyer may be taking more active role in the exchange process. In situations where IS apply, the buyer may be taking extra force in persuading the seller to sell the product to him or her. This may be happening in defense deals, or take a situation where a country having installed a nuclear plant needs nuclear fuel or heavy water. It may need to convince the supplier of the products to supply the same to it by promising that it will be used for peaceful purposes only. In this case, the buyer will be treated as a marketer. Thus, anybody who takes more active role in the exchange process will be taken as the marketer. So, most of the cases, seller is more active. Certain cases, buyer comes. Say, particular example given. Certain cases, buyer becomes a marketer, or giving many conditions are ready to follow it. Most of the general cases, seller takes active role. Exceptional cases, in situations where IS apply, the buyer may be taking extra force in persuading the seller to sell the product to him or her. This may be happening in defense deals. Or take a situation where a country having installed a nuclear plant needs to supply nuclear fuel or heavy water. It may need to convince the supplier of the products to supply the same to it by promising that it will be used for peaceful purposes only. Example, refer and learn. Buyer is treated as the marketer. Thus, anybody who takes more active role in the exchange process will be taken as the marketer. Note down this example also from the page number 303, and who is a marketer. Page number 302, we have a box underneath. That's an activity, do it yourself. Read it and understand it and do it yourself, one box. That is, collect 5 advertisements, each for the marketing. Let it be ideas, places from a newspaper or magazine. Write in a notebook the messages conveyed through these and discuss in the class, indicating which of these messages are more appealing or attractive to you. Give reasons in support of your answer. So that activity also can be undertaken by you. This chapter is meant for options are the we can select one topic only. It can be marketing chapter, or principles of management, or the business environment as a project work. 20 marks project work. That also to be taken into consideration between. I am highlighting this activity also to be started because third topic giving importance to the project work. 3 topics mainly, which are they? Marketing this chapter. Then we have business environment. We have principles of management. And learn correctly and properly. Thank you.